Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government continues to victimize the people of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir by depriving them of their houses and other properties for their affiliation with the ongoing freedom movement. The Modi regime in its latest action has attached 124 properties worth millions, including land and buildings owned by the people and organizations affiliated with the freedom struggle. The properties have been attached by the Delhi-controlled State Investigation Agency and the Executive Wing of Indian Police in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir under various sections of the Black Law Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. It is to mention here that India's dreaded National Investigation Agency and SIU had already attached the headquarters of all parties Hurriyat conference in Srinagar and confiscated hundreds of houses and properties belonging to pro-freedom leaders and organizations across Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The occupation authorities have also demolished many residential houses, shops, shopping complexes and other properties in the occupied territory. The actions were aimed at pushing these people and organizations for their role in the ongoing Kashmir freedom movement. Indian troops are regularly destroying Kashmiris' houses during violent military operations. The killing of Kashmiris in fake encounters and destruction of people's properties has become a norm in the occupied territory. Political experts and analysts in their interviews and statements in Srinagar said the confiscation of the properties of Kashmiri people is sheer political vendetta on part of the Modi government. They said the brutal policy being pursued by Modi regime has not only rendered the Kashmiris homeless. The political experts and analysts pointed out that India has exhausted all its resources and applied every brutal tactic to suppress the ongoing Kashmiri freedom movement but failed to deter the people of Jammu and Kashmir from carrying on their just cause. They said that the international community must take cognizance of Modi regime's brutal actions in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. However, the Indian brutalities have failed to force the Kashmiri people to give up their just cause, and they are determined to continue their struggle till the achievement of their right to self-determination.